Kerly here again, RMT Overland, hanging out with Savage Camper Blog at the Four Wheeler Adventure Expo, OC Fairgrounds, Orange County, California. So just a few minutes ago we checked out the Chevy Silverado. I'm going to show you guys the Ford Ranger that we've got on display as well. One thing that I would like to point out is, as I said in part one, we are an approved upfitter for GM, Ford, and Ram. So we get vehicles directly from the factory. We install our exclusive packages, and then we wholesale it to the dealer. You buy it off of the lot, full financing, full warranty, FMVSS certification, proprietary products, as you're about to see here. So on the RMT Overland Ford Ranger, the XLT chassis, take the tent out of this package. This truck is going to essentially retail for the exact same price as a Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. So when we were designing this product, we designed it to have more accessories included in the RMT Overland package and also be able to outperform it. It's got a BDS coilover suspension upgrade with Fox 2.0 front and rear shocks. All of the accessories that you see included on the vehicle, from wheels to hood mount light brackets, the roof rack, all RMT Overland proprietary design. So we have an in-house design and engineering team that create the concepts, they test the prototypes, and then we either manufacture these components in-house or have them private label manufactured for us. So when you buy this vehicle off the lot, it is an exclusive package that is unique to you as a customer. It's going to satisfy your need to take this vehicle off the lot and onto the trail. Every single RMT Overland package is not going to be able to be shopped by other people that are buying parts from off-road shops. It's going to be something that is exclusive to you as an individual. It is a complete thought, from the wheels and tires to the roof rack and the tent on the back. The RMT bumper, private label manufactured for us. It has an integrated Warn winch. Now the Warn winch is not a standard as part of this package, but it is an available upgrade. The Baja Designs 20-inch light bar is standard, along with a pair of Baja Designs Squadron hood lights, which we've incorporated into the RMT exclusive hood mount light bracket. Now, a lot of people have already asked me, what's the point of the multiple slots that are incorporated into this bracket? We've actually designed this as a universal key slot system. So you can change the mounting position of the lights that we provide, or you can add additional accessories and it'll accept a standard bolt and nut package to mount those here. Now, as far as the lights are concerned, we've included in this package the trigger controller 6-shooter system. This is completely wireless. It comes with all of the available pigtails pre-wired, so that when you want to add lighting accessories, you just wire them. You do not run any wiring from the interior of the vehicle to the engine bay. You just run the wire directly to here, plug it in, and it's good to go. If you'll come around here, each vehicle that is equipped with the trigger controller system comes with a wireless remote, so you control your lighting by simply clicking these buttons. We also have an app that connects to the system. So let's say that you're sitting out by the campfire, you drop your keys, you drop your knife, you want to turn on your ditch lights to be able to light up your camping area to find what you dropped. You hit this button, the light comes on, you turn it back off once you find what you're looking for, and you never have to step inside the vehicle. Let's say you've got on your lights, you're ready to get into your tent to go to sleep for the night, climb in, turn the lights off. You do not have to get back inside the vehicle to make that happen. You can do it all remotely.
Awesome.
We go here.
Yep.
So on this particular truck, we've included the Rome Adventure tent, which is a soft top tent. Very functional design, very easy to set up. It includes a lot of features that allow you to store things in different compartments around the tent. The tent is mounted on the Yakima bed rack system. Now this is something that we are launching the RMT Overland brand with, but we're actually in the process of designing our own proprietary bed rack system, just like we've done with the roof rack, the hood mount light brackets, the wheels. In both cases, the bed rack upgrade will come standard with Maxtrax and roto packs for water and gas storage. Fender flares we've added, and rocker panel guard for additional body side protection. And then here you've got a step slider combo, which is also RMT exclusive. So as I said in the beginning, it is a turnkey adventure solution for somebody that is interested in getting into overland, but maybe don't have the time or the experience needed to be able to outfit a vehicle themselves. We've provided a solution for you. That's just something that you can buy right off the lot and take onto the trail with the confidence that we've included the quality parts that you need to have the adventure of a lifetime and a hassle-free ownership experience. You can check out more detailed information about RMT Overland at rmtoverland.com.
Right on, man. Thank you very much.